Okay, so this is the current Alberta Math6 curriculum. This is what we teach. A simplified version in a mind map, obviously, but what I wanted to do was color coded by outcomes that are still found in the next draft curriculum and outcomes that are not found in grade 6 in the draft curriculum. So what I mean by that is, so let's talk about Math6. In the number strand, the first outcome we talk about is place value of large numbers. So the ones place, the tens place, the hundreds place, the idea that place value is groups of 10, and that 3 of those groups make a period, and you go from your units to your thousands to your millions. And in grade 6, we go up to 100 millions, and we talk about that pattern. That idea, that concept, is not taught in the draft grade 6 curriculum. It's taught in a previous year. Same with decimals, tenths, hundredths, tenths, hundredths, thousandths, all the way to millionths. What is a part per million? Fractions, irregular fractions, as well as mixed numbers. The concept of what is a fraction is not in the draft in grade 6. We use fractions, but we're not taught what they are. That's dumped lower. So some things are taught. What is a ratio? What is a percent? Integers, the order of operations. Those are all things that are currently taught in grade 6 that will still be taught in grade 6 in the draft curriculum. Moving to the next unit, statistics and probability. So we'll collect data still. We'll talk about probability still, but line graphs, you should already know how to make those, as well as how to graph data that you've collected. In our shapes and space unit, types of triangles, no longer in grade 6. That's dumped into previous grades. Congruency is still in grade 6, but then polygons, what is a polygon? That's dumped earlier. Transformations, still in grade 6. Perimeter, not in grade 6 anymore, dumped lower. And area of quadrilaterals, not in grade 6 anymore, dumped lower. Volume, still in grade 6. And then finally, in patterns and relations, we still do tables of values. We still talk about relationships within tables, but the introduction of letter variables is dumped into a lower grade. So that's the mind map. I hope that helps when you're trying to think about whether or not this new curriculum is age appropriate and a positive change for Alberta. Thank you.